today I'm reviewing these makeup brushes. This is how they look overall. They're very lightweight. They'll be aware like some of the, you know how like some of the hairs are sticking out here. It's actually like soft, but not like, oh my goodness, like pillowy soft. But it is soft, but you know, not like dense soft, you know? And overall comes with a spoolie, like I said, I can it does its job. It does bend easily, so be aware of that, but actually all of them usually do. And yeah, so let's just see how good this works here. So I have here a powder and I'm going to see how well it blends into my skin. I currently have no makeup on, but let's see how much powder it gets on the brush. But let's see. I feel like it's grabbing a good enough product. I don't know if you can see it because like it's very light as you can see here. But I feel like it's doing its job. And for the price, it's honestly pretty great too. I wish they had a foundation brush because all these are really like powder brushes and like eyeshadow, but they don't have a foundation brush. So do be aware if you don't have one, it doesn't come with one, but you could still use it technically. Just depends on your technique. So yeah, I do recommend these.